Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So, Teacher Appreciation Week is next week, and I thought I would show you how to do a really cool Thanks-a-Latte gift tag. So I found this in Pinterest, and it was on feelingnifty.com. And the first thing I'm going to do is click here, and there is a free Thanks-a-Latte Teacher Appreciation Printable. And you have to scroll all the way down to the bottom. Is the one that I'm going to use. And it's actually a PDF, and I want to be able to use the Cricut to cut it. So I'm going to show you how I did that, because if you save this PDF and then you print this, it's going to have the black around it. And if you don't want that, I'm going to show you a way to get rid of that. Okay, so you would click download, and you're going to save that PDF to your desktop. What you do is hit save, and then we're going to save it to our desktop. Okay, so that's a PDF. So if you want to stop now and just print that and then have the black outline, then you don't have to continue the video. But if you want to make it a little bit different and have it cut around, I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so we're going to go to freeconvert.com, choose a file, and then we are going to upload the Thanks-a-Latte PDF. And we are going to convert it to a JPEG. You can change it like that and click convert. Okay, so now that's done. We're going to download the JPEG and again save it to the desktop. What I do is click upload, and I'm going to browse and go to the desktop, and I am going to upload the JPEG that we just uploaded, and I'm going to hit complex, continue, and then I'm going to hit apply and continue, and print and cut. And then we have this right here. We're gonna upload it twice. So this will be the first upload. Okay, then we're gonna go back and hit upload again, browse, go back and upload the exact file again, complex, continue. This time we're going to clear out the back, and then we're going to hit apply, and then we're going to select the cut image and then upload. Then we're going to select both of these images, add to canvas, and wait a second. Okay, so let's go ahead and make this a little bit smaller. Oops. Okay, so next we're going to unlock it, and I'm going to make it like this kind of shape. And I have to do the same for this, and I have 3.00. Okay, so let's just unlock it. Okay, so we'll do it like this. Okay, and let me make this a little bit bigger. If you notice here, if I make this big enough, you can see that line back there. That is because when you put it on Cricut, it would actually cut this. So this would be two pieces, which we don't want. So that's why we didn't just remove the whole image and then continue. So let's go back and just kind of make this a little bit smaller. Okay. So what I'm going to do is insert a shape, and I'm going to do this shape. Let's just let's turn this to white. Okay. And we're going to go ahead, unlock this, and we want to put a box right here where it would cut, and then we're going to select it and hit weld. Now it is one piece, so it'll just cut this one piece. Okay, Okay, so now that we have this, let's make this a little bit bigger. Okay, we're going to drag this over here, unlock it, and we are going to put it about the same size, maybe a little bit smaller, so if you don't want the black in the background, you don't want the black trim. Then we will go ahead and select this and hit slice. Okay, so now we have this coffee cup without the black. Okay, now we need to insert a circle, unlock, and make a little tiny circle, and we're going to drag it over here, and we're going to do this so we can add a string to hang it. So I'm going to select the image and hit slice. And slide it over. You can't really tell that there's a circle or hole in there, but there is. Next, I'm going to hit text, and I'm going to write Nathan, and I'm going to change this to a print. Let's see. I'm going to use this dark, bold Miss Kinder Love and Laugh. I'll change this to red, unlock, and drag this over here. Okay. It's kind of hard to see because it's white on white, but that's okay. So then I'm going to insert an X, change this to red, drag it up here, unlock, adjust it, and then I'm going to hit duplicate and duplicate and 2 more times. Okay, so we're going to drag this here, drag this here. Okay, now I'm going to select the whole thing, hit attach, then I'm going to hit flatten. Now we are ready to, you know what, I need to actually make this a little bit shorter because I'm going to hang it on a little purse that I made. Okay, so I think I'm going to do, I think it was like that size. Okay, so now we're going to, let's hit save because we just did all that work. We don't want to lose it. And then we're going to click on make it and continue. We're going to send it to the printer. We're going to turn the bleed off. Okay, and I'm going to send it to my brother printer, the color. But before I do that, I want to go in here and hit search on here and select go to the printers. And I want to manage printing preferences. And I want to change the ink quality to best so it shows up nicer. So I'm going to hit matte and then it's high quality, apply. Okay, now back to Cricut to hit print, but I need to quickly go put the cardstock in the printer and then we'll hit print. Okay, now this just came off the printer, and you'll also want to go back and change your printer back to the normal so you don't waste the ink. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and use the brayer to have it connect to adhere better to the mat. And put it in the Cricut. Then I'm going to click select medium cardstock and hit the Cricut button. Okay, so it just finished. Go ahead, put this up. Okay, so we're going to turn the mat upside down and then peel it off. Okay, whoops. And let me get the tool here. Okay, so you can see this circle. I'm just going to poke out the cuts because it didn't come off with the paper. Okay. Now the fun part. Isn't that cute? Okay, so here I guess I kind of took off a little bit of the T, which was my fault, the way that I cut it, but just going forward, you just have to pay attention to that. I'm going to take the Starbucks card, gift card, and move this back, and put some tape on it. Okay. I'm going to take a little string. Now I'm going to put this through here, and I'm going to attach it to the purse that I made. Okay. And double tie. Okay, and I'm going to cut this. And I don't know what I did with my other scissors. Okay, so we have that, and we have the card behind it. Isn't that super cute? And I'm going to actually make a tumbler to put inside, but that will be a different video. So tell me what you guys think, and if you have any comments, let me know. And also, if you like my video and you don't already subscribe, make sure to hit the subscribe button if you want to see future videos. Thanks guys, bye.